Hey everybody, welcome to week 7.5. 7.5, I know, we're still in week 7, but we have week 7.5 starting, so it's that little bit of overlap. So a small miracle took place today. I finally got a haircut. You talk about all those things that you miss because of the lockdowns and quarantines and everything, and people are talking about missing family functions and weddings and parties and going back to work and seeing workmates and everything. A lot of those things I miss too, but to be honest, I missed my barber. So it seems silly, but little things, right, are actually pretty big. So I'm in a good mood. I hope you're in a good mood. We're near the end here, which is wonderful. So how does this work? Well, remember, week 7.5 starts today, ends on Monday, but we're still in week 7, so that will end on Saturday or tomorrow. Remember, all late work, anything pre-week 7, has to be in by Saturday night, 11:59 p.m. For week 7 and week 7.5, everything has to be in by Monday, 11:59 p.m. And the reason is I have to get grades done right away. I mean, it's a very quick turnaround. My grades have to be in, and those days, basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, are going to be full of me just doing grades. Okay, so I have to get those grades in, which means you guys have to get your assignments in. So please try to do that as quickly as you can. If you have questions, you can always reach out. You know that, right? You can call me, you can text me, you can email me. I've been sending out texts this morning and phone calls, 585-433-5871. Please reach out if you have any questions. Please, please, please. Okay? We're almost done, though. So let's all take that collective breath out. This is, for most of you, your first term, and you have it under your belt, which is a wonderful feeling. It really is. And you've worked at it. You've put forth a lot of effort. Look, this is not easy, but anything worth having is worth working for, and I truly do believe that. And I think as you get into the next term, you're going to find that things might go a little easier for you or be a bit smoother because you have this one under your belt. You understand kind of the ins and outs of Blackboard. You understand what the requirements are of you as an online college student. So hopefully things are going to be a little bit more, go a little smoother for you. That's the hope. This is a week where we really are just going to kind of unpack how things went. Okay, so there's 2 assignments for week 7. There is the discussion board, of course, and that's a little scenario where you're essentially giving your friend some advice on what she should know about online courses, a course like this, that kind of thing. It's an opportunity for you to kind of look back and see how things went. But there's 2 assignments. One is kind of a general reflection on how things went. I know I'm repeating myself. So you're going to just kind of say, what worked well, what didn't, what were your struggles, what things did you like most, what things did you not like most. This is actually beneficial to me because as I go back and look at the course and I talk to people in administration about what works for the course, these are the kinds of conversations that I can then use to say, maybe we could build this a little better next time, maybe we could add something else next time, something like that. And then there's going to be another assignment, and that's going to be the office reflection. And it's your opportunity to talk about kind of those primary programs that we covered this term. So things like Outlook, but primarily it's, I think, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And so you're going to be able to talk about those and then try to put those within a career-specific framework, as we always try to do, and say, this is why it was important. This is why it was important to know PowerPoint or Excel or Word, et cetera, et cetera. So I think you get it. Folks, you did something that was hard. You did something that was very challenging. A lot of you have kids at home. A lot of you are working 1 job or 2 jobs, or maybe you're not working and you're still anxious about how that's going to go. A lot of you are at home, like I am, working from home with kids, and everyone's kind of climbing the walls because it's really stressful. Be proud of yourself if you got here, and I really do mean that. Okay, this is not just me being the cheerleader. I really do think that it's important for you to take some time and say, boy, I accomplished something, because you did. So be proud of that and take that kind of that feeling of accomplishment into next term. That's the kind of thing that's going to help you build for what comes next. So I wish you all the best, folks. Hopefully I'll meet some of you in a couple of other classes along the way. But best of luck to you all. Thanks.